This is a typical VBank application. We open up the access door, and here are the sliding tracks, and here are the coils. These are pleated filters, the most commonly used filters in the market, and have been for the better part of 3 decades. They are cardboard frame filters which slide into their tracks one at a time. Well, the problem with these filters is they're individually boxed filters. Their design alone enables anybody who uses them to achieve a complete seal. Air mimics water. It follows the path of least resistance and will expose any gaps or bypass. And as you can see, there is tremendous bypass both around and between the filters where they meet. And this has a negative effect on these coils. The air that passes through coils needs to come in direct contact with the very delicate fins of the coils in order to obtain maximum heat absorption. If the coils have a layer of dirt covering them and air is not able to come in direct contact with them, you lose efficiency. Also, as coils become contaminated, resistance increases, which increases amperage usage, having a direct negative impact on energy costs. First thing people do when the air does not appear to be cool enough is turn down the thermostat. Regardless of how low it is dialed, the air is not going to get any cooler because the efficiency in the coils is lost. All turning down the thermostat does is increase energy output, whereas keeping coils clean allows for peak performance and maximum energy conservation. Here are the Invincible 500s with Sporax, rated at 500 feet per minute like pleated filters with an initial static pressure drop of 0.30. And as you can see, they're linked together so you get a complete seal between the filters, unlike pleated filters. And he'll push it in until he feels the resistance, then he'll pull that last one out. And you actually let the door push that last one in. You could feel it when you close the door. Push the link in and you get a complete seal. So you see he's pushing in the filters from the strong parts of the grid, the top portions, the corners, because if you push the middle it'll bend the grid. Here he's pushing it in, he feels it hit, pulls it out, and you got a complete seal all the way down. You've got gasketing there. The media acts as a gasket. It's a complete seal around the filters, unlike pleated filters. See, there's no play there. Complete seal all the way down, protecting these coils. This is the only way you can maintain peak performance and efficiency throughout your system's operation. Here are pictures of brand new coils from a refurbished air handler. I convinced the engineering director to use Dustlock Mervate media right from the get-go. 8 years later, here are the results. The EPA released a statistic saying 1/8 of an inch of dirt on your coils decreases their efficiency by 21%. Take a look at this picture. We removed the top 2 links from this VBank and look at the plenum. Look at the difference in the cleanliness upstream and downstream. So now you know how pleated filters actually contribute to the contamination of your HVAC system, increasing operation costs and jeopardizing indoor air quality. But you do have choices. There are products that are cost effective and work. Ours works.